Thinking of using Kajabi to design your website or membership site? Maybe you started doing a little bit of the research, but you're wondering, can this platform really help you create a great looking website? And does it have what you need? Hey, it's Auret here from Essetino and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. In this video, I want to show you some examples of Kajabi websites that I've designed and developed, and some before and afters as well. I've been designing and developing sites for our clients for years, mostly expert-based businesses, and I find that it helps to see a visual of the potential of what your website can look like, so you can start to generate some ideas of what to include in your site, and also get a better idea of whether this is the right platform for you. So I have about 4 different websites to show you. This first one here that you see on the screen is Freedom Vest Properties. This was designed in Kajabi for a business owner who really focuses on helping other people invest in properties, just the regular person being able to invest in real estate. So you can see here, we created like a nice overlay with an image for the top of the banner here. And as we scroll down, you can see you have the ability to create these like cool animations when different elements pop up, and to organize the information in different cards and blocks. You can see here it has like a nice professional feel to it. So, and each one of these, by the way, is like a section in the web builder where you can add the section and then you add the elements within it. So you can add an image and then you add a text element. You can also do some cool things here like create fixed backgrounds, which adds a nice little touch here. And again, you can have testimonials coming up like this. And then we also really like this fixed background here. So this is just the home page here. What we did with the home page is like have it be a navigation to other pages on the site. So for this, it'll go to the about page. For these areas over here, it goes to his courses, his on-demand courses, and this is more, working together with consulting. And you have the ability to do that in Kajabi. So when you go here to view programs, they can see the different courses that are available on your site, and then click into any one of these to take a look at the course landing page. And then also, so a course is a product in the Kajabi site, and then you can also create coaching products where, if someone purchases a coaching product, it takes them directly to book a call with you after receiving that payment. So there's different workflows that you can do in the Kajabi platform. You can see here, it's a full-fledged website, because sometimes I'll talk to clients and they'll be like, oh, isn't it just for courses? But you can put your homepage, about page, like your full website can be built on Kajabi. This, on the flip side, is more of a funnel. So this is another example that I wanted to show you where it's a opt-in funnel. So you can create just single funnels in Kajabi, whether you want someone to opt in for a lead magnet or an opt-in freebie. A lead magnet is essentially providing a guide or a free training in exchange for an email address so that that person gets on your list, and then you can continue to promote your offers to them, right? So with this, it's in the Kajabi platform, you're able to create a funnel, and they have different templates. So it might be an opt-in funnel like this. It might be a funnel to sell a webinar. It might be a funnel for a specific course of yours. And so they have those templates where you can just go and have a starting off point, and then replacing everything in there with the text and the images like you see here. So this is another one that I created for a client, a separate client also in the real estate realm. We have a nice headline here. We have a fixed background. We have a little teaser of what they're going to get. It's a worksheet or a spreadsheet. And so when they put in their name, email, and phone number, and you can decide what you want to collect, what information you want to collect, at the very least, name and email, and they hit download now, it goes to a page where they're able to actually download that. And you can create these cool automations where once they opt in, an email can be triggered so that they also receive an email with the free download, and they can be entered into an email sequence. So this all happens within Kajabi and this is why it's considered to be an all-in-one platform because you have the ability to do email sequence, autoresponders, full websites. You have templates, the introduction of AI now to help you create like course curriculum and copywriting for your site. It really provides a lot of options. This right here, I want to show you a before and after. So this is a website from a success and financial coach, Ty Grady. This is what his website looked like before. This was actually designed in Wix, and it was, very much, you can see here, positioned is just more positioning for him as a speaker, which is one of the main things that he did want to focus on. But what we did for Ty is really focus on what is the messaging that's going to connect with the person that you want to target, instead of just something more vague like success is yours. What does that mean? So here, because we wanted to focus entirely in on getting more speaking gigs, you can see here the headline is Energizing and Breakthrough Talks for Business Professionals. So that's super clear what he offers. And we also have the ability to add the different authority signals, like these logos here in terms of where he's spoken on, and also pictures showing like he's out in the field, he's doing what he says he does. And this right here, Watch Ty in Action, you have the ability to have it scroll down into a section of the page where they can watch a video, or wherever you want to take them to. So yeah, this is also another one that's designed in Kajabi. You can see here it looks pretty professional, like some more logos here. The cards, this is like a templated section. It's using the cards, and then you just go and modify, you make the customizations that you want, like adjusting the colors to your branding, adding the images, the text. You can choose whether or not to include a button on these cards. So book a call goes to his contact page, enroll in a course goes to his course page. This right here also I wanted to show you is the lead magnet side of things, but instead of having it go to a page, a funnel, you can also do a pop-up. So you can see here when I clicked on this, you can do a pop-up where they enter their name and email. Again, after they hit send me the free guide, you can choose to take them to a page where they actually can download it right away, or you can trigger automation email sequence and it just says check your inbox. You can make this pop-up come up without even clicking on the button. So maybe a few seconds into them scrolling on the home page, it can come up. So it can be like a time delay thing. There's lots of more specific customizations involved in Kajabi's automations, which is something I like about this platform a lot. And yeah, you can see here we added some testimonials on the bottom and another final call to action at the end here where you can embed forms. And again, this isn't a third-party form software or email software. It's all within Kajabi. You choose the form widget, you decide, customize what you want to collect, and then when they fill this out, they go to a list within Kajabi. You again can choose to set up an email automation. Yeah, I really like that it's all in one platform. So that's this website. And the last one that I wanted to show you here is the Mosaic Mortgage Group. So they help people purchase homes by getting mortgages, getting approved for mortgages. This was their website previous to. And all of these sites I'm showing you, by the way, we did the design, development, and copywriting for them. And it's really you can have, this is a huge tip for you guys. You really want to focus in on the messaging first and then design the site, because the messaging is everything in terms of getting people to take action on your website. The design supports the messaging. So really get clear on what is that message, that headline? What are you illustrating with words and visuals to the person that you are the right choice to go with for that course, for the consult, whatever action you want them to take? So again, this was a site before where it's very, vague. It's like the handcrafted home loan. Yes, we help you with home loans. This is about us. So the site wasn't bad, it was good, but again, we've made it even better with speaking directly to their avatar. Buy your next home with confidence and peace of mind. This is something that's way more, it connects more rather than just we offer home loans. So it's very clear here. We help home buyers simplify the confusing and stressful process of securing a mortgage. And again, this was like a pop-up that we did for a lead magnet. You can see a pattern here. It's very important to include a lead magnet on your site because most of the time people aren't ready to buy yet or engage with you yet. So by offering something for free in exchange for an email address, you still have the ability to connect with them on a regular basis, and they'll see you in their inbox over and over again. So this I wanted to show you here too. You have the ability to add like a photo on top of this background image overlay, it just adds like a really nice depth effect that makes the site look professional. Being able to list things out like this, where it's like an image and the card, the image and the card. So these are the 3 ways to engage. You can have a section on your site that says 3 ways to engage, and or how many ever ways to engage. We had that on the Ty Grady site as well. And of course, testimonials. The other really quick thing I wanted to show you is the in the Our Process page here, what you're able to do is do these little drop down menus. So in this page, we use them for outlining the steps of what it looks like to engage with them. So if you have a lot of text on your site, you can create these little drop downs where the text is hidden and they can choose what they want to read more about. Because if you imagine all of this stuff just being listed out, it can be very overwhelming to look at it at once. So this is another cool thing, and you can customize the colors and the branding, everything. You can customize colors, branding, fonts. It's something that you can do once in the settings area, and it will apply it to the entire site. Or if you want to be specific with different colors and fonts on a particular page, you can do that as well. So you have different options. So those are the 4 different website examples I wanted to share with you. I also have another video that shows you step-by-step how to create a funnel in Kajabi. So I'll link to that in the description below. And if you need some extra guidance with designing your website, whether that's through a consult or you're inquiring about us doing it all for you, then please head down to the description as well, as I have a link where you can get in touch with me. We can get on a call and see if we'd be a good fit. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.